Can I have a Zooper Dooper, please? Yeah, sure. Which one do you want? Blue, thanks. There you go. Thanks. Why is it all melted? Because I didn't put enough time into preparing this sketch. Fair enough. See ya. Hey guys. Hey mate. Did you seriously get bubblegum? Yeah, bubblegum's great. It is literally the worst flavour. You can't talk, you got pineapple. Yeah, pineapple's trash. Pineapple's great. I think we can all agree that fairy floss is easily the best one. Yeah, fairy floss is good. It just tastes like sugar. It's so boring. That's the point. Wouldn't it be good if there was just one flavour that everyone liked? Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today we will be mixing up every Zooper Dooper flavour into one Zooper Dooper and then seeing how that tastes. If you don't know what a Zooper Dooper is, it's basically just a small ice block and there's 8 different flavours. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I've got my Zooper Doopers and everything I need, and now I'm going to get all 8 flavours of them, cut the tops off and put them in here, and then we can have a concoction. Okay, so I've got all my flavours. So you got bubblegum, raspberry, I think it's lemon, I don't know, that one's cola, fairy floss, grape, lime and orange. So now I'm going to put these all in one thing, and then, yeah. So now I'm going to put these all in one thing. Why is it so hard to cut a piece of plastic? Jeez, that looks very natural. Natural colours and flavours, that's what we like to see. It's actually a nice colour. I'm going to try to stop it from going brown for as long as possible. Because once it's brown, it's going to be brown for the whole time. I'm going to clean this up, and then no orange one. I did not think that well thoroughly. I did not think that well through. It's got all over my shorts as well. So I've got orange one number 2 now. This time I'll hold it. They're much easier to cut when they're frozen. I'll give you that for free. Now it's like a pond green. Of course, I have to wait for these to freeze as well. So you get it quickly. I have to wait for ages. Also, I don't know what I want. Is this going to even fit? I don't think it's going to fit. That one cut way easier. I've worked out how to cut them now. It did fit, just. Here is our concoction. It's sort of a reddish brown colour. It smells like a mixture of fairy floss and bubblegum flavours, to be honest. Now I'm smelling lime. I don't know. So I'm going to put this in a funnel. Here we go. That's our Zooper Dooper. Now I'm going to work out a way to close this, because otherwise I don't know how this is going to freeze properly. So I'll see you when I have got it sealed. Okay, so it's been a day, and now I'm going to check if the ice block is frozen correctly. Yeah, that's worked. It's worked quite well, actually. I mean, it is just a Zooper Dooper, but just lots. I mean, it is just a Zooper Dooper, but just lots of different types of Zooper Dooper mixed up when you think about it. I really hope this isn't horrible. That's actually surprisingly good. the lime one more than anything else. Just tastes like the lime one. I can't taste the cola though. That's weird. That one did taste like cola. Yeah. If you want it to taste like something, it tastes like it. That's really weird. So like, if I wanted to have a lime one, I could just... That's weird. That's not going back in, is it? It's so weird. If I want it to taste like one of the flavours, it just tastes like one of the flavours. I'm so confused. What? I don't know why this is happening, but this should definitely be a flavour. This is so good. I don't know whether I actually have Zooper Doopers. They might have them overseas, but they're in Australia. So if you have overseas where you live, if you have Zooper Doopers where you live, then I would definitely recommend making one of these and then trying it because it's really good. It's quite cold though. I mean, it's an ice block, so you can't really expect it to be almost that cold. But no, I think this is really nice. Thank you for watching anyway. Thanks for watching until the end as well. Not many people do watch until the end. They just like get bored halfway through and then cancel off the video. But yeah, thank you for watching to the end. It does help my channel grow and get more views as a whole. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, I really appreciate that. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.